We are joyous because these two beautiful souls have found each other and fallen in love. We celebrate because Frankie and Suzanne feel so good about one another, so delighted and encouraged, so known and supported that they've chosen to make vows, put rings on each other's fingers, and step into the unknown future together, holding hands. Each and every one of you is here because of the bond you share with Suzanne and Frankie, and they are so grateful that you are here. Your presence at this ceremony, as loving witnesses to this most important moment in their lives, will ground their marriage in a strong and everlasting web of friendship and support. You have brought together your families and your histories and woven together the moments of your lives. From this point forward, your lives are one. And so, in the beloved company of family and friends, it is with honor and great joy that I now pronounce you Mr. and Mrs. Sikowski, husband and wife. You may seal your marriage with a kiss.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's give it up for Mr. and Mrs. Sikowski.
You know, as I was writing the speech, as I was thinking through memories and trying to contemplate what I was going to say, every time I thought about something that was, you know, really I was struggling going through, or even some of my best, you know, best moments in my life. He was, all right. Woo! He was always there. If I needed him, I had a call or I had somebody to show up to. And I, again, can't thank you enough for that. Ooh. All right.
I never had a sister, and I never really thought about it too much. Didn't think I was really missing out on anything. I truly did not know what I was, missing out on until I met Suzanne. It's someone that you can really be vulnerable with. You can always go to, you know will always be there for you, and you know they can't get away because you're related.
Here's to Frankie and Sue.